Hello everyone, welcome to Author Books Reader. This video is about the quotes from the book The Alchemist. It's the second video of the quote series. If you believe yourself worthy of the thing you fought so hard to get, then you become an instrument of God. You help the soul of the world and you understand why you are here. It is the simplest thing in life that are the most extraordinary. Only wise men are able to understand them. At a certain point in our lives, we lose control of what's happening to us, and our lives become controlled by fate. That's the world's greatest lie. Whoever you are, or whatever it is that you do, when you really want something, it's because that desire originated in the soul of the universe. It's your mission on this earth. When each day is the same as the next, it's because people fail to recognize the good things that happen in their lives every day that the sun rises. When you really want something, the universe conspires in your favor. We have to take advantage when luck is on our side and do as much as to help it as it's doing to help us. It is called the principle of favorability. You must always know what it is that you want. When someone makes a decision, he is really diving into a strong current that will carry him to places he had never dreamed of when he first made the decision. The closer one gets to realizing his destiny, the more the destiny becomes his true reason for being. When you want something with all your heart, that's when you are closest to the soul of the world. It's always a positive force. Everyone has his or her way of learning things. Life is the moment we are living right now. When you are in love, things make even more sense. If you pay attention to the present, you can improve upon it. And if you improve on the present, what comes later will also be better. Forget about the future. Live each day according to the teachings, confident that God loves His children. Each day in itself brings with it an eternity. God created the world so that through its visible objects, man could understand His spiritual teachings and the marvels of His wisdom. Courage is the quality most essential to understanding the language of the world. Listen to your heart. It knows all things because it came from the soul of the world and it will one day return there. No heart has ever suffered when it goes in search of its dreams, because every second of the second's encounter with God, with eternity. Everyone on earth has a treasure that awaits him. Most people see the world as a threatening place, and because they do, the world turns out indeed to be a threatening place. Every search begins with beginner's luck, and every search ends with the victors being severely tested. It is said that the darkest hour of the night came just before the dawn. When you possess great treasures within you and try to tell others of them, seldom you are believed. Your eyes shows the strength of your soul, and anyone who interferes with the destiny of another thing never will discover his own. There is only one thing that makes a dream impossible to achieve, is the fear of failure. They show that when we strive to become better, everything around us will become better too. Love is the force that transforms and improves the soul of the world. Because when we love, we always strive to be better than we are. No matter what he does, every person on earth plays a central role in the history of the world, and normally he doesn't know it. So this is all about the quotes from this book. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then give it a like. Share this among your friends and family who are interested in books. And see you all in the next video. Till then, take care, bye-bye. You keep reading.